Hello everyone, welcome to Rice IS. I am Alok Vardhan and in third session of Prelims Bites, we will discuss a very important article from today's The Hindu newspaper on Rakhigarhi Excavations. So let's start our discussion with the key points of today's article. So this article discussed mainly about handover of human skeletal remains from Archaeological Survey of India to Anthropological Survey of India and which and which MOU facilitates this transfer and key finding and geographical spread of Rakhigarhi and key finding of Mount 7 and what DNA analysis and other scientific experiment can reveal about Rakhigarhi and what can be done and find from further research. So as you can ask why this topic is relevant. This topic is relevant mainly because as you can see Harappan site or Indus Valley Civilization site, which is in news, it's become very important topic for upcoming UPSC preliminary exam. As you can see, UPSC in 2021 preliminary exam asked a question about Harappan sites. So let's start our today's discussion with context of this article. So Archaeological Survey of India has transferred human skeletal remain from Rakhigarhi to Anthropological Survey of India. Why? Why Archaeological Survey of India send human skeletal sample? So Archaeological Survey of India sent sample for DNA studies on ancestry, environment, and lifestyle of Indus Valley Civilization people. So we'll see location and significance of Rakhigarhi. So Rakhigarhi located in Hisar district of Haryana and it was situated on dried Ghaggar-Hakra Sarasvati river plain. So and it was spread over 550 hectares and it is the largest known Harappan settlement. And this settlement, Rakhigarhi settlement, was is larger than Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Dholavira. So Rakhigarhi occupied during early mature and late Harappan phases. So if you have to find the timeline of the Rakhigarhi expedition, Rakhigarhi civilization, so we can say Rakhigarhi civilization found between in early mature and late Harappan phases. Now we see key DNA finding. So Mount 7 of Rakhigarhi yielded 56 skeleton, including well-preserved 400-600-year female skeleton. So and genomic studies found no Steppe pastoral, which is famously known as Indo-Aryan or ancient Iranian Iranian farm ancestry and suggest indigenous origin of Harappan. So, as you can also know that Aryan gene, also known as R1A1 gene, and in recent finding, Archaeological Survey of India found that, and other scientific Archaeological Survey of India and other scientific communities found that Harappan people lacks R1A1 gene, which is famously Aryan gene, which gives weight to the theory, Aryan invasion theory, which said Aryan were not natural inhabitant of Indian land. They were come from Middle East or some Arctic region. So this further research on this can show more light on recent mystery of ancient Harappan civilization and the Aryan invasion theory, and how Indus Valley Civilization ended. So next is urban planning and economy. So Rakhigarhi was well-planned settlement with mud and burnt brick houses, drainage and sanitation system. These kind of fact is very much relevant for upcoming UPSC preliminary exam. So and Mount 3 is revealed aristocratic habitation with major burnt brick structure. So as you know, there is no hierarchy found in Mohenjo-daro, but here in Rakhigarhi Mound number 3 revealed aristocratic habitation with major burnt brick structure. So another important aspect of city planning is discovery of granary with seven chamber and grain chamber, separate grain chamber, and early evidence of trade through statite beads, a standardized weight, and fish hooks and toys. So we can find early evidence of trade through statite breed and standardized through a standardized weight and fixed hook and twice. So now see some ritual and artifact of Rakhigarhi. So triangular fire altar and animal sacrifice area indicate ritual, which is triangular fire altar and animal sacrifice area, which is the major finding of Rakhigarhi expedition, shows indicates the sacrificial practices. And a unique seal depicts the alligator symbol with 5 Harappan letters. So, a unique seal found in Rakhigarhi depicts the alligator symbol with 5 Harappan letters. As you know, Harappan script is still not deciphered. So, now we'll see some important point with heritage development. Under 2022 Memorandum of Understanding, Rakhigarhi is being developed as world largest museum dedicated to Harappan culture. So, in 2022, through a Memorandum of Understanding, Rakhigarhi is being developed as world largest museum dedicated to Harappan culture. And Rakhigarhi listed among the 10 most endangered heritage site in Asia by Global Heritage Fund in 2012. So please attempt this question, and thank you for attending today's session. You can download complete PDF from our website, and for further preparation please visit our website and YouTube channel. Thank you.